We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. The first eyeshadow we're going to use is called Abyss. I'm using an M321 brush from Morphe to apply the eyeshadow in the lower part of my eyelids. Keep packing the eyeshadow until you get the desired depth, and make sure you go a little bit above your eye crease. This next eyeshadow is called Roxanne. Use that to blend out the black eyeshadow that we used. This will eliminate the harsh edges and will give you the smoky effect. My biggest tip for this look is to keep blending the eyeshadows. Next eyeshadow is called Mocha. Focus applying the eyeshadow on the eyelid crease and make sure you apply it on the outer V as well. Like I said before, make sure you keep blending the eyeshadows. Go back to the very first eyeshadow that we used, which is called Abyss, and go ahead and apply that on the lower part of the eyelid. Make sure not to go over the eye crease. Here I'm using a black eyeliner by Wet n Wild. This one is in the shade Blackest Black, and I'm just gonna use that to tightline my eyes. Use a black liquid eyeliner. The one I'm using is by Maybelline. It's their Precise Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. And go ahead and do a thin winged eyeliner. Because I have hooded eyes, I prefer to do thin winged eyeliners because I don't want the eyeliner to cover the eyeshadow on my lower eyelid. Of course, curl your lashes before applying mascara. My mascara of choice is by Maybelline. This one is called COLLASAL. Make sure you apply it generously on your eyelashes. Use the black eyeshadow that we used from the beginning and apply that on your lower lash line. Go back to our second eyeshadow called Roxanne and use that to smudge the black eyeshadow that we've applied. I'm using a highlighter palette by NYX, and I'm gonna use the first highlighter and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using a Tinted Brow Gel by NYX to set my eyebrows in place. I did a detailed eyebrow tutorial, so if you're interested, it's posted on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Use the highlighter to apply on the highest point of your brow bone. For my foundation, I'm using my Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation by Maybelline. This one is in the shade 50, which is their creamy natural shade. Up next, use a concealer. The one I'm using is also by Maybelline, which is their Age Rewind Concealer. You can also use a creamy bronzer. This one is by NYX. It's called their Wonderstick. Apply it on the areas where you typically apply a bronzer powder. Use a banana powder to gently set the foundation, concealer, and bronzer in place so that they don't smudge. This will also make your makeup last longer and look flawless. Here I'm using a bronzer. This one is by MILANI, and I'm gonna use that and apply it on my cheekbones, also my jawline, and pretty much where I placed the cream bronzer. Of course, we can't forget about the highlighter, so go ahead and highlight your cheeks and towards your eyebrows. For the lipstick, this one is also by Morphe. This one is in the shade Tempt. And of course, this look won't be complete without the false eyelashes. Just make sure to use a mascara to blend your real eyelashes and the falsies together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.